Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making popcorn shrimp with Sriracha Mayo dipping sauce. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you would need medium-sized shrimp, plain panko breadcrumbs, flour, eggs, lemon, minced garlic, mayo, sriracha, hot sauce, honey, seasonal, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. We're going to begin by seasoning our shrimp with seasonal, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Next, add 1/4 cup of hot sauce and allow your shrimp to marinate for 2 hours. While our shrimp is marinating, we're going to make the sriracha mayo. Cut a lemon in half and place it to the side. In a bowl, add 3/4 cup of mayo, 4 tablespoons of sriracha, 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a half teaspoon of minced garlic, and a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. In a bowl, add 4 eggs and whisk. In a separate bowl, add 2 cups of flour. Season to taste with black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and seasonal. In a separate bowl, add 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs and season to taste with seasonal. Coat shrimp in egg, then flour, egg again, then panko breadcrumbs. Fry at 350 degrees for 3 to 4 minutes or until golden. And there you have it, popcorn shrimp with Sriracha Mayo dipping sauce. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.